Okay, next one up, 22 plate Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. It's in pretty good condition. I think got about 6,000 or 7,000 miles on it. This gentleman's going to go one of our full works packages, which will include polishing up that exhaust and a good coating of XCP corrosion protection and the Ultimaxx ceramic. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a good old snow foam safe wash to loosen up any contaminants. I will then remove these windscreens. We will polish these up, making sure to remove any imperfections. I will do a two-stage polish on all this bodywork. Got a few marks here and there, a couple of little scratches which we should be able to remove. Once that's done, we will then prep it and we will treat it with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. That's a 5-year ceramic on all the bodywork. I will airbrush it onto all the engine and the wheels. The switchgear will get a good brushing of the XCP corrosion protection. I will polish up those caliper bolts, excuse me, and yeah, get it looking like it should, and get it protected for the years ahead. So give me a couple hours. Let's get cracking. First step, remove this belly pan so we can get all this burnt on tar off of there, and to give us access to polish up these exhausts. They're not looking too good, but we'll get those all minted up like new and get that exhaust all up underneath there, all polished. Got some burnt on tar. We'll get all that removed to get it all mirror polished back up before we apply any protection. All right, back in the studio now. She's been thoroughly washed, degreased, decontaminated. Just doing a bit of a paint inspection. She's got quite a bit of marks on it, so we're going to do a two-stage machine polish, see if we can remove some of these marks before we put any ceramic on. Windscreen's quite heavily scratched as well, so we're going to remove these little screens so we can get to the paint work. Get a bit of gloss back into this, see if we can remove some of these scratches. Get it looking like it should. Oh my God. Anyways, let's get some of these bits off and get down to some polishing. There you go, 3.5 hours on the dot. This Ducati Multistrada Pikes Peak V4 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our full works packages, which includes a full ceramic application. As you saw, all the lower belly pan has been removed, all the exhausts have been polished up like new, all the wheels, all the calipers, everything has been meticulously cleaned on it. I did a two-stage machine polish on all the bodywork. Look at the freaking gloss on that. All the windscreen's been removed, managed to get all those scratches out of that. Absolute like a mirror. All those marks have all been removed. Everything's been prepped. We use the Ultimaxx Signature Pro on all the wheels in the lower half, and we use the Signature Quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic, on all the painted bits. Helps with any minor scratches on the windscreen on this black here. And then we use the Ultimaxx Trimax, which is a ceramic infused plastic restore on all this plastic. Absolutely gleaming. 3.5 hours. Get yours booked in now. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. We're open 6 days a week. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.